Hello and welcome to Key Study Point. Today in this video we will talk about top 10 feminist quotes. Yes friends, there are several quotes which are asked in exam like UGC, NET, TGT or PCT. So we'll discuss top 10 feminist quote. First one, there is no sexual relation. This is very we can say the controversial statement given by Jacques Lacan, sorry. You all know about Jacques Lacan. Jacques Lacan was a French philosopher and psychoanalyst. So he gave this quotation: "There is no sexual relation, and woman does not exist." Second quote is also given by Jacques Lacan: "Woman does not exist." And third one is not born but rather becomes a woman. This is very popular quote. It has been asked several times in exams in PGT, UGC, NET, JRF or SET exams. One is not born but rather becomes a woman. It was given by Simone de Beauvoir. He was a very popular critic, so gave this quote: "One is not born but rather becomes a woman." And next, fourth one, each sex has a relation to maidness. This is again a very radical quote. Each sex has a relation to maidness. It was given by Lucy Irigaray. You can see the name of the writer, Lucy Irigaray. Next one, quote number 5: "There is no gate, no lock, no bolt that you can set upon the freedom of my mind." So quote number 5 is given by Virginia Woolf. You all are aware, I'm sure, about Virginia Woolf. So she quoted, "There is no gate, no lock, no bolt that you can set upon the freedom of my mind." Next quote number 6, sixth statement: "As long as she thinks of a man, nobody objects to a woman thinking." So it is again a quote by Virginia Woolf. As long as she thinks of a man, nobody objects to a woman thinking. Okay, and next quote number 7: "The body is not a thing, it is our grasp on the world and our sketch of our project." This is again an amazing quote given by Simone de Beauvoir. The body is not a thing, it is our grasp on the world and our sketch of our project. So you can note down these quotes. Quote number 8: "I don't wish women to have power over men but over themselves." This was a quote given by Mary Wollstonecraft. Mary Wollstonecraft, a well-known feminist theorist. She wrote A Vindication Right of Women in 1792. She is considered one of the first, we can say that, feminist writer. Let's see next quote number 9: "Female is real and its sex and femininity is unreal and its gender." This is again a very radical quote. Female is real and its sex and femininity is unreal and its gender. It is a quote given by Germaine Greger. It is she is very popular feminist theorist and critics from Australia. She is well known for the work Female Eunuch. So you can read that work also by Germaine Greer. "All men are rapists and that's all they are." This is again a very controversial and very popular quote by Marilyn French. Marilyn French was an American theorist and feminist critics. All men are rapists and that's all they are. So these are the 10 quotes, feminist quotes, which have been asked or generally are asked in exams. So you can note down these quotes. Thank you.